Did you know that just 1 tablespoon of olive oil a day can act like a shield for your heart? Not a pill, not a procedure, just a simple choice you can make at your dinner table. Hello, my friends. I'm Dr. Ethan Greenwell. For more than 20 years, I've been working with older adults here in the United States, helping them live longer and healthier lives. And here's one truth I've seen again and again. Not all fats are bad. Some fats can harm your heart, but other fats, they can protect it. Today, I want to explain the difference between the bad fats and the good fats, and then show you 3 foods rich in healthy fats that science has proven can lower your risk of heart disease. To understand why olive oil, avocados, and nuts are so powerful, we first need to separate the bad from the good. Bad fats include saturated fats and trans fats. Saturated fat is found in butter, lard, and fatty red meats. Too much of it raises LDL cholesterol, the bad cholesterol, and clogs your arteries. Trans fats, found in fried fast food and processed baked goods, are the worst of all. They raise LDL and lower HDL, the good cholesterol. Good fats are monounsaturated fats, MUFA, and polyunsaturated fats, PUFA. These fats lower LDL, raise HDL, and keep blood vessels flexible. They also reduce inflammation, a hidden cause of heart disease. You'll find them in olive oil, avocados, fatty fish, and nuts. One of the best studied eating patterns in the world is the Mediterranean diet. It's rich in olive oil, greens, fish, and nuts. Research shows it can cut the risk of major heart problems like heart attack and stroke by 30%. That's why I encourage you, instead of cooking with butter or animal fat, try switching to olive oil tonight. Let's start with the first food, olive oil. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, MUFA, which lower LDL and raise HDL. It's packed with polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that calm down inflammation in your arteries. And studies also show olive oil can slightly lower blood pressure and make blood vessels more flexible. In the famous pre-dimed trial in Spain, people who added olive oil to their Mediterranean diet had a 30% lower risk of serious heart problems compared to those who didn't. My advice, drizzle olive oil over your vegetables. Use it for baking salmon, or mix it into a fresh salad. Just 1 tablespoon a day can make a real difference. The second food on our list is avocado. Like olive oil, avocados are full of MUFA, the kind of fat that lowers LDL and raises HDL. They are rich in potassium, a mineral that helps control blood pressure, and they provide soluble fiber, which removes excess cholesterol from the body. One study published in the Journal of the American Heart Association found that when people replaced some saturated fats with avocado, their risk of heart disease dropped significantly. Practical ideas. Slice avocado into your salad, spread it on whole grain toast instead of butter, or blend it into a smoothie with very little sugar. Tasty, filling, and heart-friendly. The third group is nuts. Almonds, walnuts, cashews, flax seeds. Nuts are rich in omega-3s and MUFA, which fight inflammation and protect blood vessels. And they contain magnesium, which helps regulate heartbeat and lowers blood pressure. And they're packed with plant protein and fiber, which support cholesterol control and weight management. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition showed that people who ate nuts regularly had up to a 20% lower risk of heart disease compared to those who rarely ate them. A simple tip: enjoy a small handful, about 1 ounce or 30 grams of nuts each day. Eat them alone, or sprinkle them on yogurt or salads. Swap out sugary snacks for nuts, and your heart will thank you. Besides these 3 heart-friendly foods, here are a few extra habits that can multiply the benefits. 1. Rotate your healthy oils. Use olive oil most often, but occasionally try canola or sunflower oil for variety. 2. Pair healthy fats with vegetables. Many vitamins, A, D, can dissolve in fat. Eating veggies with olive oil or nuts helps your body absorb them better. 3. Portion wisely. Even healthy fats have calories. The sweet spot is 1 tablespoon of olive oil, half an avocado, or 1 handful of nuts per day. It's not about making drastic changes. It's about small, steady steps you can take every day. So today, we discovered 3 foods that provide the right kind of fat for your heart. Olive oil, full of MUFA and polyphenols to fight inflammation and lower bad cholesterol. Avocados, combining healthy fats, potassium, and fiber to control blood pressure and cholesterol. Nuts, tiny but powerful, rich in omega-3, magnesium, and plant protein. All three are backed by science, and all three have been shown to cut the risk of heart problems by 20–30%. So here's my question for you. Can you swap butter for olive oil at dinner tonight? That one small step could be the beginning of a stronger, healthier heart. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe so I can keep sharing simple, science-based tips to help you protect your heart throughout your senior years.